Hello and welcome to the episode 16 of our Retreat to Love Masterclass series. Phase 2 was about the mind, but phase 3 is about the soul or the connection. Most people think of the word for today, which is empathy, is feeling for someone. It's not. It's feeling with them. It's the logic of the heart. In a world obsessed with being right, empathy is the discipline of being present. It requires you to step out of your own pattern, to witness someone else's. If you can't see their perspective, your wisdom is just pride in disguise. Today, I challenge you to stop trying to fix people. Just hear them. Use the silence we practiced in the last episodes to create a space where they feel safe. Empathy isn't a weakness, it's the highest form of human intelligence. Look at the world today through their eyes, not your own. Today is day 16, and we are on the final stretch of our phase 3 and our Cheat to Love Masterclass series. I'll see you tomorrow for another episode of our series. This is JM, and remember, connect deeply.